Assalamualaikum and good morning my dear students of Fire Sciences. So today 25th of August 2021 here we meet again in our English class with me Miss Soleha. Alright my dear students, so today we are going to learn about Unit 8, the weather forecast. Okay, so to begin our class, we're going to start the class by playing a quiz. Alright, so go to the WhatsApp group and then click the link to join the quiz and then enter this code.
875252. Okay, so there's 5 people here. Okay, so I'm gonna start the class, okay? Sorry, the game. Okay, Haziq. The top right now. Okay, just click at the answer that you think is suitable for the symbols. Okay. Number 1 right now, Nurul Farisha. Number 2, number 3, Shahira Awati. Alright, so okay, done. So I'm gonna end the game. Alright, so number 1, Lia Zafira. Number 2, Haziq. The third place, Shahira Awatif. Alright, no worries, because after this we have another game. Okay, so can you see the slides?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
so we're done with our quiz. Okay, it's just an insight for you all to learn about the topic for today, which is the weather forecast. Okay, repeat after me. The weather forecast. Okay, good job. Okay, turn off your mic. Okay, so this is the learning objective for today's lesson. By the end of the lesson, pupils will be able to listen to audio 3.19 about weather forecasts and label the type of weather, for example, cloudy with some sun and more, and as well as temperature such as 21 degrees and more. Okay, other temperature number of 3 places, which is Edinburgh, London and Brighton on a map with 5 out of 6 correct answers. And then number 2, you all have to write sentences to describe the weather and temperature in Edinburgh, London, Brighton, okay, the 3 places, in guided writing with at least 60 out of 80 words correctly. Alright, so before we begin our lesson, I would like you all to get ready with your pen, paper and ruler. Alright, so can you show me your pencil, your pen and ruler? Turn on your camera. Okay, then show me your pencil, your pen and your ruler.
I don't have ruler.
It's okay, it's okay. Show me your pen, your pencil, your ruler if you have. Please turn on the camera. Alright. So, we will proceed with the lesson. So, just now, in the game, there are a few vocabularies that you have encountered. Okay? So, this is the contents for our lesson for today. We have 5 contents altogether. Okay, we have completed the first one, number 1, which is vocabulary and phrases. We have play quizzes, alright. And then now we are going to proceed with number 2, 3 and 4. Okay, number 2, vocabulary and phrases and sentence pattern. Let's learn. And then the third one, listen and label, listening activity. Number 4, we have a task. Okay, you have to write in the task, and then it's a writing task. And then number 5, game. Okay, we'll play blue card. Number 1, vocabulary and phrases we have done just now. Alright, so number 2, okay, sentence pattern, vocabulary and phrases. So, vocabulary number 1. Can somebody read this vocabulary for me and for your friends? Number 1.
Windy.
Good job. Wind and windy. Okay, so wind is noun, whereas windy is adjective. Okay,
Adjective.
good job. So noun is the name of places, name of things. So in this context, name of the weather, the element in the weather, which is wind. Alright, so windy is adjective. It's words that describe the weather. Okay, so weather is noun. So this is one of the element in weather, which is wind. Okay, wind is noun. So the weather is windy. So the windy describe the weather. Windy weather, cloudy weather, for example. So this windy adjective describe the weather. Windy weather. Alright, so the weather is noun. So windy describe the weather. So windy weather adjective. Okay, because it describe the nouns of weather. Next one, rainy. Okay, can somebody read this vocabulary for me?
Number 2, rain, rainy.
Good job. So rain is
Noun.
Rainy is
Adjective.
rainy is adjective. Good job. So same explanation. Rain is the element. Rain is noun. Okay, so rainy is adjective. Rainy weather. Just now windy weather. Okay, so rainy describe the weather. Number 3, read for me. Temperature. Good job. So temperature is
Noun.
Good job. Number 4, read the vocabulary for me.
Sun. Sun for sun and sunny.
Sun and sunny. So sun is noun, sunny is
Adjective.
adjective. Good job. Okay, number 5. Read this vocabulary.
Cloud. Cloud.
Cloud and cloudy. Alright. So cloud is
Noun. Noun.
cloud is noun. Good job. And cloudy is
Adjective.
adjective. Alright. Okay, this one.
Storm and stormy.
Okay, so which one is noun?
Storm.
Storm. Storm is noun. And adjective is stormy. Good job. Okay. So that is the vocabulary for weather. Alright. Next. Okay, just now we've learned about vocabulary. Vocabulary is word with one words. Okay. Phrase is 2 or more words. Okay. Phrase is slightly more than vocabulary, but it is shorter and lesser than sentence. Alright. So phrase. Cloud. Repeat after me. Cloudy.
Cloudy.
With some
With some
sun.
Cloudy with some sun.
Okay, good job. Cloudy with some sun is adjective. Okay, because we can see cloudy here. Alright, cloudy with some sun. Alright, so this is
Adjective.
adjective. Good job. Okay, we are going to look at the sentence pattern. Okay, but before that, I am going to show you a video of weather forecast. Okay, please pay attention to this video because in this video I've mentioned about the sentence pattern that we are going to learn for today's class. Okay. Okay.
Thank you for tuning in the
Can you listen to the audio?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Pay attention to the sentences mentioned. Okay.
Thank you for tuning in the news. Now we'll be checking the weather. How's the weather, Siti? On this map, we'll see some different types of weather on Saturday. It will be sunny near Alostar. It will be very hot for this time of the year with a temperature of 35 degrees. It will be cloudy in Kulim, but it will also be hotter, 34 degrees. Typical weather for August in Jitra. Cloudy with some sun, but it will also be hot. The highest temperature will be 36 degrees. But it will be rainy in south of Kedah, Yan. The temperature will be a bit cooler there, 29 degrees. So, there'll be some wind, clouds, and sun. The usual weather in Kedah. Above all, my favorite weather is rainy because I love to dance in the rain.
Alright, so that is the video. So we are going to proceed with the sentence pattern. Okay. So can somebody read this sentence pattern for the class? Can you see the sentence pattern?
Yes.
Okay. Alright.
Number 1. It will be sunny near Alustar. It will be very hot for this time of year with the temperature of 35 degrees.
Okay. Number 2, other people?
Me.
Okay, go on.
Number 2, it will be cloudy in Kulim, but it will also be hotter, 34 degrees.
Okay, thank you. Number 3, next person. Okay, go on.
Number 3. Typical weather for August in Jitra. Cloud, sun, and it will be hot. The highest temperature will be 36 degrees.
This is the sentence pattern that we're going to learn for today. Okay? So we are going to look at the description for each of the colored words. Alright? So I've highlighted similar with the above sentence pattern. This one, Saturday. Okay? So Saturday is, can you read this? Saturday is day. So it is considered as noun. Okay, so when you are going to do your writing, you can replace this day with other day as well. Okay, you can write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or any days that you would like to write. Alright, please pay attention because this sentence pattern, you are going to use this in your task later. Okay, so what you have to do, you just change the colored words here. Okay, and then number 1, it will be sunny. Sunny is the types of weather. So you can write sunny, cloudy, okay, rainy, or anything that you would like to write, types of weather. And then near Alostar is name of place. Good job. So later you can replace this with the places that that you are going to write. Okay, and then very cold. Cold is, read for me the description. Cold is
Adjective of temperature.
okay, adjective of temperature. There's 2 answer choices here. You can write hot or cold. Okay, so if the weather is hot, so you write hot. If the weather is cold, so you write cold. For this time of the year with temperature of 35 degrees. So 35 degrees is temperature. Okay, and it will be cloudy. Similar sentence pattern. Cloud, types of weather. The number 1 sunny, number 2 cloudy, and then number 4 windy, very windy. Okay, and then here in the places that you need to write. For example, here I wrote Kulim. Okay, why I wrote Kulim? Because it is one of the region in Kedah, so it will be closer for us. Okay, I use Alostar, Kulim, but it will also be hotter. Okay, similar, this one is also adjective, comparative adjective. This one is hot, so this one is cold, this one is hotter. A comparative adjective is like you comparing the in this context, of course, comparing the weather. Hotter, cooler, smarter, prettier. Okay, 34 degrees is temperature. Alright. Okay, so typical weather, number 3, typical weather for August month. Okay, we can also write other month. Okay, January, February, any month that you would like to write in Jitra. name of a place. You can replace this name of place later. Cloudy with some sun. Okay, so types of weather. This is lies under phrase that we learned just now. Okay, cloudy with some sun, adjective, right? And then it will be hot, adjective of temperature, similar with the above one, number one, hot or cold. And then the highest temperature will be 36 degree. The highest, okay, just now we have cold, hotter, and then this one highest. And number four, but it will be very windy, types of weather as well. South of Kedah, Yan. Okay, just now south of Malaysia is Johor. South of Kedah is south of Kedah is Yan. Good job. So Yan is south of a name of a place. Okay, good job. And then so temperature for Yan will be a bit cooler, comparative, again cooler, or you can also use hotter, cooler or hotter. There, 29 degrees. Okay, so the final one is the conclusion part. So there will be some winds, clouds and sun. Alright, which is this is nouns of weather. You can say there will be rain, there will be wind like this one, clouds and sun. Alright, the usual weather in Kedah. Above all, you have to choose your favorite weather. Okay, whether you like rainy or you like windy weather or you like cloudy or sunny weather, and then give reason for your chosen weather. Alright, is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so this is the sentence pattern. Okay, no worries, because you can refer to this sentence pattern while you completing your work. Okay, so there will be some winds, cloud and sun in Kedah. Okay, are you aware that in Yan recently there's a flood that the people in Yan have to encounter, and most of them has lost their house and lost their family members. Okay, so that is one of the natural phenomenon. Okay, I don't want to say it's a disaster, because it's a disaster for us human being, but for the nature is actually a natural phenomenon. Okay, shape of this earth will change, and there's a movement in the earth, in the bottom part of the earth. Alright, so that is the normal phenomenon, but of course it will affect the pupils there. Okay, so what we have to do here, because we doesn't encounter those kind of phenomenon, so we have to be grateful. Okay, because we are here, even though we have to stay in our house, in our home, but we are still safe and sound. Okay, for those of them in Kedah, in Yan, they already lost their house. Okay, so they don't have place to stay. Alright, so what we should do is we have to be grateful. And then in Malaysia, winds, cloud and sun is actually our normal weather, windy, cloudy and sunny or rainy. Okay, which mean it is suitable for us human being, which mean we can wear a thinner clothes, slightly thinner compared to the overseas people. Okay, they have four seasons of weather, winter, autumn, spring. They have to actually prepare 4 types of wardrobe to suit the seasons in their country. So what we have to do is we also have to be grateful. Okay, it's not wrong if we want to visit their places, okay? Later when you grow up, work hard, study hard, maybe you have a business there, so you have to travel overseas, okay, to see the weather. Alright, so that is the kind of moral value that I would like to emphasize here. We have to be grateful, and because of we are safe here, and then our weather condition in Malaysia is suitable for us to do our activity or to continue our daily routine. Alright, because in overseas they are not able to do this, sometimes because of the temperature is very cold, sometimes below the freezing point. Alright, so we have to be grateful, and we have to work hard to see the different types of weather around the world. Alright, so done with the sentence pattern. Okay, now just now I have instructed you to get ready with your paper, pen and ruler. Pencil, paper and ruler. So now we're going to do a listening activity. Alright, I would like you all to draw this table. You can also refer the table in your English Plus One book, page 99, exercise 2. Okay? Draw this table. First, later I'm going to play an audio and you have to write your answer inside this table. So after you've drawn your table should look like this. Don't forget to label each of the missing box with number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you finish drawing, show me your table. Good job, Asri. Okay, and Darson, Hasbi, Hazi. Good job. Don't forget to label your table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similar in your book. Okay. So I'm gonna play the audio. Please listen carefully, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Unit 8. Extra Listening and Speaking. Exercises 2 and 3. And now it's time for the weather forecast. Jilly, it's lovely and sunny today, but what will the weather be like at the weekend?
Well, Brian, we'll see some different types of weather on Saturday. It'll be rainy on the north coast of Scotland and near Aberdeen, and it won't be very hot for this time of year, only 17 degrees. It'll be cloudy in Edinburgh, but it'll also be hotter, 21 degrees. In the south of England, it'll be typical weather for August in London. Cloudy with some sun, and it'll feel hot. Highest temperatures will be 27 degrees. But it'll be very windy on the south coast near Brighton, so temperatures will be a bit cooler there, 20 degrees. So there'll be some rain, cloud and sun, the usual weather for summer in the UK.
And what about Sunday? Will it be
Okay. So I'm gonna replay the audio one more time, okay? So final round, check your answer.
Unit 8. Extra Listening and Speaking. Exercises 2 and 3. And now it's time for the weather forecast. Jilly, it's lovely and sunny today, but what will the weather be like at the weekend?
Well, Brian, we'll see some different types of weather on Saturday. It'll be rainy on the north coast of Scotland and near Aberdeen, and it won't be very hot for this time of year, only 17 degrees. It'll be cloudy in Edinburgh, but it'll also be hotter, 21 degrees. In the south of England, it'll be typical weather for August in London. Cloudy with some sun, and it'll feel hot. Highest temperatures will be 27 degrees. But it'll be very windy on the south coast near Brighton, so temperatures will be a bit cooler there, 20 degrees. So there'll be some rain, cloud and sun, the usual weather for summer in the UK.
And what about Sunday? Will it be?
So, we're going to check the answers, okay? Okay, so what is the answer for number 1?
Cloudy.
Cloudy. Are you sure? Okay, number 1, cloudy. Number 2?
21 degrees.
21 degrees.
21 degrees. Number 3?
Cloudy.
Cloudy with some sun. Cloudy with some sun.
Okay, cloudy with some sun. Number 4?
27 degrees.
27 degrees. How to spell degrees?
Degrees.
Okay. Number 5. Answer is
Windy.
windy. Or you can also answer very windy. Both will be accepted. Number 6. Final and
20 degrees.
20
Degrees.
degrees. Good job. Alright. So, do share your answers with me at the end of the class, okay? Snap your answer and then send to me via WhatsApp or Telegram. I'll accept both platforms, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, next task, you have to transfer this information on map, okay? So, this is the map. In the Jamboard, this one. Okay, the Jamboard, the link for the Jamboard, I already share for you all in your WhatsApp group and also in our class Telegram group last night, right? Okay,
Yes.
so for this activity, I'm gonna divide you all into 2 groups. Okay, I'm gonna divide the class into 2 groups, boys group and then girls group. Okay, for boys you have to click the link for boys Jamboard. For girls you have to click the link for girls Jamboard. Alright, is that clear? Okay,
Yes,
so
teacher.
what you have to do right now, you have to transfer the information from the table just now, this table.
Yes.
Okay, this table, you have to transfer the information on this Jamboard. Okay, so there's 3 places that we have to find, which is Edinburgh, London and Brighton. The places in the table. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do, you have to find the places. Okay. Alright, so you find the places. Where is Edinburgh? So for example, I'm showing you the example. Okay, Edinburgh is here. This is Edinburgh. Okay, and then London is here. Wait, okay, and then where is the third place? Third place is Brighton. Brighton is here, but the name of the places, the font is not very clear. So you can also rewrite the name of places. Okay, for example, Edinburgh. Edinburgh is here, so it's okay. Okay, you pick sticky note here. Okay, and then you write Edinburgh, and then click save. Okay, and then label the places using this sticky note. So Edinburgh here. I'm kind of repeating what I'm saying, but of course you can see what I'm saying. Okay, so Edinburgh here. And then label the types of weather and temperature of Edinburgh. So based on the table, what is the type of temperature for Edinburgh? Cloudy. So okay, so what you have to do, find the image of cloudy. Find the symbol for cloudy. So where you can find the image, click add image here on the left part of your Jamboard. There's a symbol which directs you towards the add image, and then add image. You can upload your own image, but I'm advising you to just Google image to search the image from Google. So you type cloudy symbol PNG. PNG is the image without background, so it will be nicer for your work. So double click here, and then it will straightly enter the images here. Alright, so this is the example of PNG that I was talking about. PNG is the image without the background. As you can see, there's no background here, just the image. Okay, so you label the places with the weather symbols. Cloudy, so this is cloudy, and then you have to label the temperature. So where can you find the symbol of temperature to make it beautiful, more beautiful? Of course, this is just an example. Please be creative. Make it better than what I'm doing right now. Thermometer PNG. Okay, even though sometimes you want to find PNG image, but sometimes normal image come out like this one. Okay, so this is the example of non-PNG image. This is merely a normal image. Okay, so this is the image with background, so it's of course PNG one is better than the normal image. So it's up to you all. I'm just showing you how it works. Okay, PNG and non-PNG. And then label the temperature. What is the temperature for Edinburgh?
21 degrees.
Okay, so 21 degrees. So how you can write the text, the temperature? You pick textbook here, the symbol T with T in a square. So pick textbook here, and then click at the place that you want to write, and then 21 degrees, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so 21 degree. You can also change the font color by clicking at the upper part. Okay, text color, you can choose black, or for this for this, to make it brighter, you use white color. So this is the example on how you can label the weather and the temperature. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Number 2, you have to describe the weather and temperature. Describe the weather. Okay, how you can describe the weather and temperature? You have to use the sentence pattern that we have learned as your guidance. Okay, so this is the example of sentences that you can come out. Okay, bear in mind that you just have to change the colored words. Okay, don't disturb the fonts with black color. Just change the color, the colored font. Alright, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright. Wait. Okay, the sentence pattern, actually you have to describe 4. There's 4 places that you have to describe, right? So, one more places. I would like you all to choose any places here. For example, here we can find Manchester, Sheffield, Liverpool, Leicester. Okay. So choose one more place. Discuss with your group member what places and one place of your choice. Of your choices. Okay. So all together you have to describe 4 places. Okay. I already asked for 3. One more you have to decide with your group member. Okay. Is that okay? No worries, because I will share this sentence pattern with you all in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So this is not the answer, okay, but this will act as a guidance for you all to complete this task, because this task is guided writing, so you need guidance to write the sentences to describe the weather. Alright, there will be 2 groups, boys and girls. Is that clear?
Yes.
Alright, so submit the work today lah, okay, before tomorrow. Or do you need time for tomorrow? Okay, I'll give you time until this Saturday. Okay? Okay. For this one, you don't have to send me any link because I already have the copy. So you just do your work there and it will come up to me automatically. So don't have to send anything. You just send your table in the listening task just now. Okay? For your Jamboard, I already have the link to access your Jamboard, so no worries. I will access your Jamboard on Saturday to see your final results. Okay? So we will. Okay. Do you have any question?
No.
For the final session, we're going to play a blue card, which is a game. Alright. Go to your WhatsApp group now, and then click the link. Click link number 5. Blue card code 244066. 244066. 066. Okay, I can see Darshan, Hasbi, Haziq. You playing with the animal emoticon? Leah here. The rest, Putri. I'm gonna start the game. Ready? Go. Faster. The snake isn't moving. Chicken isn't moving. What is that? Is that squirrel? Putri. Okay, Putri. Hasbi Haziq. Number 1, Darshan. Faster. Afnan. Awati, faster. Putri. Haziq. Leah. Hasbi Haziq. Okay, so first place Putri, the first place. Second place Hasbi Haziq. Third place Asri. So that is the end of the class. Alright. Do you enjoy our class for today?
Enjoy.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Alright. Later I will share the sentence pattern for you all to complete the task, and then send the task to me before Saturday. Alright. And then don't forget to snap your table and send to me, because I want to fill in your PBD. Alright. So
Okay, teacher.
alright, so thank you for attending the class. Till we meet again in the next class. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
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 Bye.